Yes, Namaste friends, myself Dr. Sangamesh Patil, and this is a video about my channel, new channel, where the channel name is Grow Organic. In this channel, I will be showing you all about how to grow vegetables in a backyard. Why I am opening this channel? Because as a doctor, I am seeing many patients suffering from systemic disorders like a simple gastritis, maybe a thyroid, maybe a diabetes. Okay, every doctor will say to eat healthy, but my channel is to show how to grow healthy. Okay, in this channel I will be showing how to grow a simple vegetables in a backyard. Okay, in the behind the home, in the backyard, how to grow it from scratch. I will be showing, for example, from a land preparation to a harvesting. Okay, in this channel I will be also sharing about simple tricks, okay, for growing of vegetables, and how to prepare a manure, how to prepare a land, how to harvest it, and what are the tricks to be followed while growing the plants, okay, like growing the vegetables. As I am a background of a farmer family, I am also knowing some of the tricks, but I will be collecting the knowledge from from my father, as well as I will be doing some research about how to grow, how to harvest, how to make it healthier. Okay, please do follow this. Thank you.